Hey guys, me Blaine, and today I am really excited because my buddies at ThinSGO, they sent me a full set floor mats for my Tesla Model Y. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to open these suckers up and I'm going to lay them out in the sun because I'm sure they've been inside the box for a little while and they'll probably need to be loosened up a little bit with some sunlight. So I'm going to loosen them up. And then while they're out in the sun, I'm going to take my car, I'm going to go vacuum it out really well, bring it back, and then I'm going to install them and see how they look and see what you guys think about them too. So, all right, let's open up the box and get this going. All right, so I got them laid out here, and as you can see, they're laying in the sun for a little while now. They've been out here for about an hour, and they look pretty good. Let's see here. Oh yeah, they're softened up a lot. So they're probably fit a lot better than when I first took them out of the box and everything. Oh yeah, they're warm. All right, so got them ready. I got my car backed up here. I already took out the old floor mat. Now this here is the other set of mat that they sent me a while back. It's for the trunk here, and then I got a matching one in the front. But anyways, this one here, I've had it for a while and it looks really good. But we're gonna get the rest of this matching set and get it installed. And like I said, I took them out. I did vacuum. I got a little bit of sand. It's part of living here in the fun state of Florida, where you have plenty of sand. So anyways, I want to get started and go ahead and put this in. Let's do the passenger side first. Make it easy on myself. I'm going to move the seat back. Okay, so I'm going to keep playing with this. They have these Velcro pieces right here that's going to stick to the carpet that's on your walls. Put it there, 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 and here. All right, so right here, you see there's a plastic piece. Looks like I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna turn it. Oh yeah, fits right behind the plastic piece here. Got another one right here. Put it behind plastic. Got another one down here. These ones are a little bit harder to put in. Oh yeah. Once you get them in there, you can see that it's gonna hold this mat right there, perfect. Flip that Velcro, bring that around. Oh, this is nice. I already got some grass in there. What's nice about this? Take this right out, take it, and you can clean this. It looks like it's rubber, so I'm sure you can wash it, do whatever you want. You can get in here and vacuum, or you wipe it out. If you spill anything, just take a cloth. This is nice. Fits in there real good. And these just click right back in there. Man, that's nice. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Look at that. See how that just fits right up in there? All right along here. Not coming out. It's in there. Got protected all the way back to there. And it comes up here on the walls. Comes all the way up. That is nice. I like it. Fits in there snug. All right, let's do the driver's side. I'm gonna move the seat back. All right, let's bring it in here. I went ahead and took the carpet part off for now. figure out where it's supposed to go. There we go. A little bit more like that. This one is a little bit more snug of a fit that you're going to have to really get it to form fit a little bit better. But as you can see, I got this side in pretty nice. I'm going to start with my clips over here. Okay, I got that one. And there you go. Got that one installed. Another clip right here. I'm calling it a clip. And we got one more at the top. There. This one actually fits very snug. Yeah, I know, I messed that up. Trying to doing some wiring through here, and I kind of bent that, so I don't know if there's a fix for that or not. Oh, well, I see what's wrong right there. I can fix it. Well, I bent the little plastic clip over, and it doesn't look like it's gonna work, and it's been down so long it hasn't warped down. But anyways, that's in there good. Bring the carpet piece over. It also fits pretty nice and snug. Man, this is nice. That's nice. Let's take a look. It has a plastic clip that went right up there, right down here, and another one right there. Over here, underneath it just uses Velcro. Same thing up along there, it's all Velcro. And once again, these things, they just clip on and flip off. But I like it. It's gonna be really nice. Now if I accidentally spill anything, it's all gonna be kept right in this area, hopefully long enough for me to be able to wipe it up and clean it up without ruining the carpet that's comes stocked with the car. All right, now I'm gonna move the seats up and do the back. All right, so I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna try me a different camera view here. See how it comes out. All right. Totally put it backwards, wrong way. There we go. That'll go there. That'll go there. Oh, this fits in really nice. Got Velcro on the backside. All right, got the little clips. Gotta roll them up. One there, and one right here. Boy, I don't know if you noticed, but looks like I need to move my seats up a little bit more often and vacuum under here. I have to get this next vacuuming out a little bit better next time I go to the car wash. Okay, got that one there. Let's see, no Velcro or anything there, but it all fits in there nice. That all looks good. Sure, that's good. Roll this clip up. Alright, that's in there. Alright, let's take a look and see how it looks here. This one here, it's coming up a little bit, but not bad. I bet you it'll form in a little bit closer. You can see, you're protected all the way up on the sides, all the way to the other side. It's pretty nice, and that carpet, just like the front ones, will come up. So you can clean it and wash it. All that. That looks great. And the last piece to put in is this little guy right here. And to be honest with you, I had to try to figure out where it went. Okay, as you can see, there's just the Velcro pieces down here, and it's going to go in here just like that. Nope. Just like that. There we go. Just to help protect the side right here. And then you got the other one for the other side. So, not bad. I think actually I need to push this back some. There we go. I think that looks a little bit better. All right, so here's the matching set. You got your trunk, you got your inside pieces, but they all fit in really well, and everything else. Well guys, I got them installed. Obviously, it doesn't take very long to do it. You just need to sweating a little bit because the sun out here is beating down on me. But anyways, it doesn't take but 15 minutes to install them. Anybody can do it. But just the only thing I recommend is make sure you vacuum out your floors first, then pull out your old ones, vacuum underneath them, get your carpet all nice and clean. And then also when you pull these things out of the box, maybe let them sit out in the sun. Set them in a room for about a day or a few hours out in the sun, and then they should be ready to go to install them. It's just that when they're put in the box, they get kind of rolled up a little bit, and you got to give them time to loosen up again. And but anyways, if you are interested in these, the link's down below for the Amazon link form. Help yourself to them. Once again, I really appreciate everybody's support. If you do purchase anything down there through Amazon, I do get a kickback on it. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I really appreciate that. If you're interested in getting a Tesla, my referral link's down below. If you do click on that, you'll get 1,000 free miles, and so will I. So all that does help me out. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It all helps out with algorithms and all that for YouTube. I really appreciate it. I have a lot of other videos that you can go and check out and all that. So, all right guys, thanks.